We had a sense that some good news was coming because most of the banks, the investment banks, they actually posted third quarter results for stock trading that were their best for the third quarter ever. And most of them topped analyst expectations, notching about 15 billion of revenue in that quarter. The clear winner here is stock traders. They have benefited, of course, from the volatility set off by Trump's tariff war, but also by the more than 30% rise of the S&P 500, helped by the sort of optimism surrounding technology and surrounding AI. But across the board, bonuses were generally up for debt underwriting, for wealth management, and for M&A, as Trump's sort of more relaxed regulatory approach has led to a lot of expectations that the deal boom is coming back.
Yeah, so this is a lot of it down to lower regulations. People have the courage to go into this market and make acquisitions. Who's doing poorly? Is anybody missing out?
Well, the retail and the commercial banking, the bankers there, they're expected to see bonuses flat or to 5% or 5% up. So I think obviously there is some, it's not completely optimistic and rosy across the board, but it is still a little bit of a jump. And, at Johnson Associates, they say that next year, enjoy the good times while you can, because next year, if the economy slows, this momentum might not be so good.
This report from Johnson Associates also touched on AI. It does feel like a time, Sally, when companies are maybe just using it as an excuse to trim down their workforce, saying it's not because we want to preserve margins and that's why you're losing your job. Oh, it's just technological changes. What did it talk about how these banks are thinking about implementing the technology and what that means to their workforce?
Well, most of the banks have said that AI is going to revolutionize how they do business, from coding to their workforces. But there are considerations here of what it does mean for jobs. A lot of banks have said that actually they still need the human element and the human component, and in fact a lot of them haven't slowed down hiring because they are trying to expand technology and make sure they have the AI experts there in the field able to help them.